Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send messages to other players in chess.com. If you want to send other people a message, if you want to, say, hey, I want to be your friend, or you want to hang out or something, it's actually quite easy. You need to be logged in. And once you're logged in, look towards the lower left corner of your screen up here. There are four options here. You have two people, an envelope, a bell, and a cogwheel. Click on the envelope because this is going to be your messages or your inbox. And what you want to do is there's an option here. Click new message, right? New message. Click on that. And you're going to be brought to this page. Now, here you can actually just, type your message here. You can actually add some options here, right? You can add a game or whatever. And you can send it to whoever player you want it to send to. Just make sure that you know the name of that player. And after that, just clicks in, and that will be it. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.